We guide you through how to verify your Facebook Business Manager. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Facebook Business Manager account, then go to Business Settings and click on Security Center. If you don't see it, make sure you have admin access because only admins can start verification. Next, find the Business Verification section and click Start Verification. Then enter your business details exactly as they appear on your official documents like your business name, address, and phone number. After that, Facebook will ask you to upload legal documents such as a business permit, registrations, certificate, or utility bill to confirm your business identity. Once uploaded, choose a verification method, usually email, phone, or domain verification, and follow the instructions to confirm your connection to the business. Make sure all details match perfectly because mismatched info is the number one reason for rejection. After submission, wait for Facebook to review your request, which can take a few hours to a few days, and you'll get a notification once approved. Once verified, you'll gain more trust, higher ad limit, and better security for your account. So take your time, double check everything, and get your business manager verified the right way today.